Flashback.
कार्टून और आपका फेवरेट कार्टून कौन सा है? So देखो भाई, I am a very simple guy. My favorite cartoon was Tom and Jerry, and of course Dragon Ball Z. And Batman as well.
Did he just say cartoon and Dragon Ball in one sentence?
The next morning.
So hi guys, this is your friend the Uncanny Nightcrawler here, and after getting 69 views, I finally decided that even I have to start attacking people. I made so many videos, I'm not gotten even 1000 subscribers, and after doing some market research I find out that if you want to get popular, attacking people is the goat. Okay, I'm kidding. So the thing is, I've been watching these people's videos pop up here and there, and I have my certain opinions on them, so I thought I should share it with you people. Does that make any sense? I don't know. So okay, the people I'm talking about is Abhi and Niu. This couple, this power couple, were making videos about how to defeat China, how we can win stuff. I mean, they practically have a solution to everything, every problem that we have.
5 problems, 1 solution.
And I'm not entirely sure if they're a source with credibility, so I thought maybe I should check their videos and find out if there's some truth to their content or it's all just bullshit. Basically, I've noticed that when that whole India and China thing was going on, it was happening, these guys attained a lot of views, okay, and they got around 1.1 million followers. So I think I've seen 1 or 2 videos of them. I've not seen many videos, but I've always seen people sharing their videos on stories and all. Okay, so let's see China's master plan exposed. It's almost like they conducted a sting operation on China or something and they're putting it out here. I mean, it gives that impression, like they Cobra posted the fuck out of China.
It should be at least 2.5.
And they're trying to tell us something important, but let's see the video and find out.
चाइना के पास एक काफी पावरफुल वेपन है. इंडियंस इसका सबसे ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट हम पर होने वाला है.
Not COVID-19, not nukes, something even more dangerous. The economy.
Minus 24% economy. क्या इसमें चाइना का हाथ था?
आज हम बात करने वाले हैं चाइना के मास्टर प्लान के बारे में. हाउ चाइना डोमिनेट्स, बैंकरप्ट्स एंड बिकम्स अ सुपर पावर. एंड
सब पता है इसको.
how you and I will be impacted by that. And if you feel कि हमारे रिसर्च में फैक्ट्स है तो इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए.
और नहीं लगा तो क्या ऑप्शन है? अगर मेरे को लगा इसमें नहीं है फैक्ट्स तो क्या कर सकता मैं, वो भी बताना चाहिए तुम लोगों को.
We found 12 underwater drones coming all the way from Beijing. Why?
Right now.
Of a health crisis, China is getting political. Why?
It's not just China, okay? We Indians are also getting political in between a crisis. It's not just China. It's just a thing that people do to remain in power, I guess.
This is the absolute worst time for our country to go to war.
Timing is everything.
But फिर वो लोग जो ट्विटर पे बोल रहे हैं कि we have to war, वो लोग है क्या करने का, ठीक है? उसके बारे में भी सोल्यूशन बताओ. ठीक है, ट्विटर पे लोगों को जाना है वॉर पे, तुम कैसा बोल रहे हो मेरे को कि वॉर पे नहीं जाने का? ठीक है, ट्विटर का लोग बोलता है मारने का चुपचाप.
In this scenario, China wants to take advantage. Neighbors को help करने की तो बात छोड़ो, China wants to wage war on them. The president Xi Jinping.
I like how he says everything, like the Chinese लोग का मीटिंग बैठा and इसको बुलाया था वहाँ पे बीच में कि मैं तो यही प्लान है हमारा, प्लीज बाहर मत बता। एंड देन ही जस्ट वेंट आउट एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड एवरीबॉडी जस्ट टू गेट शेयर्ड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम।
चाइना खुद के ही बिल्स ओवरस्टेट कर रहा है।
I read that as balls for 1 second. Overstating their own balls.
Not China. That's
Every other guy.
टाइमिंग इज एवरीथिंग। जैसे ही टाइम गुजरता है लोग
Timing is everything. You see, when he made videos on China and stuff, that was pure timing, okay?
Chinese debt trap is like getting addicted to sugar. Your
इसको इतना क्यों मालूम है Chinese debt trap के बारे में? It's almost as if ये अलीबाबा पे चीज़ें बेच रहा था, इसको इतना पता चल गया, and ये अभी वहाँ पे अपनी दुकान बंद करके Instagram पे खोल रहा है।
bases outside China are used for trade. But if there is a conflict, China can easily convert these bases into military bases.
Is there any backing to those statements? I don't know. I think अगर अभी बोल रहा है तो सच होगा।
कोई conflict होता है तो tackling it by force is not an option for India anymore. Because
I guess there's someone picking up his video about him saying India is not ready for war and then making it trend on Twitter कि तूने ऐसे कैसे बोला, ban अभी, ban new or something like that.
so if we can't use bullet force, let's use wallet force. Economy is a
Damn, that rhyming, bro.
इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सोचा। ये कोई WhatsApp फॉरवर्ड का मोटिवेशनल मैसेज नहीं है, but actually
How can you say मैंने बहुत सोचा and then in the next statement you're saying it is a fact? मैं जब सब सोचने लगे और फिर उसको fact बोलने लगे तो कैसे चलेगा?
आपके रूम में 8 out of 10 चीजें मेड इन चाइना होंगी, तो क्या इसका मतलब ये है कि ये सारी चीजें फेंक देनी है?
ये तो नॉट एट ऑल बोलेगा ही, इसको देख के लग रहा है इसके पास बहुत सारा है ऑलरेडी।
From now on, कोई नई चीज लेते वक्त हम ये जरूर देख सकते हैं कि क्या कोई अलग अल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है। अगर हम धीरे धीरे ऐसा करने लगे तो नेक्स्ट ईयर 5 out of 10 चीजें मेड इन चाइना होंगी, उसके अगले साल और कम, फिर और कम, एंड देन सिर्फ कुछ ही एसेंशियल चीजें होंगी जिनके लिए हम चाइना को पे करेंगे। We keep thinking that it is too late.
ठीक है, ये टॉपिक जो ये जिस तरह से एक्सप्लेन कर रहा ना उतना सिंपल नहीं है। ठीक है, अभी कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास और लोअर मिडिल क्लास बॉय, MI या ओप्पो का फ़ोन सपोज यूज़ कर रहा है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको फ़ोन यूज़ करना है। ठीक है, कोई ऐसे एक दिन उठ के आप बोलता नहीं है कि डूड मेरे को MI का फ़ोन लेना है या दैट इज़ माई ड्रीम फ़ोन, ऐसे कोई नहीं बात करता। ठीक है, अगर वो ले रहा है वो फ़ोन तो उसकी वो मजबूरी है, उसके सर्कल में। व्हेन यू आर मिडिल क्लास यू आर सर द एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ बीइंग अ मिडिल क्लास बॉय इज दैट यू आर सराउंडेड बाय अपर क्लास,
अमीर हूँ, बहुत पैसा है मेरे पास,
एंड ऑल्सो लोअर क्लास पीपल एट द सेम टाइम।
मैं गरीब हूँ।
ठीक है, तो तेरे सर्कल के लोग जब अच्छा प्रोसेसर अच्छा कैमरा वाला फ़ोन यूज़ करेंगे एंड दे सपोज प्ले अ सर्टेन गेम और डू अ सर्टेन टास्क, तेरे को भी वो करने का मन करेगा। ठीक है, तो ऐसे नहीं बोल सकता कि नहीं मैं तो चाइना बैन करेगा, मेरे को नहीं खेलने का है, मैं फ्रीडम 251 लेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है। ठीक है, तो ये लोग जो ले रहे हैं उनके पास चॉइस नहीं है इसलिए वो ले रहे हैं। आसान है कैमरा के सामने आके बोलना कि बैन करो तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट, मत खरीदो MI, मत खरीदो ओप्पो। ठीक है, पर ये इतना आसान नहीं है कि इंडिया में रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इतना आगे लेके जाना कि यू नो इंडियन ब्रांड्स और प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे से आए। अब माइक्रोमैक्स वापस आ रहा है मुझे पता है, लेट्स सी व्हाट दैट ब्रिंग्स।
अगर हम दिवाली में एक दिया जलाने के बजाय चाइना से आने वाले लाइट्स लगाएंगे तो इस रोशनी से कौन सा अंधेरा दूर होने वाला है? किसी
लेट्स सी इफ आत्मनिर्भर इज पॉसिबल। एवरी इंजीनियर नोस आत्मनिर्भर इज पॉसिबल।
दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फ्लेमिंग के दाएं हाथ के नियम के बारे में।
बॉयकॉट चाइना कहने में आसान है लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है।
अभी तो तू बोल रहा था, थोड़ा देर पहले तो तूने बताया कि बॉयकॉट चाइना करना चाहिए, अब तू बोल रहा है प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है। मैं क्या भरोसा करूँ? प्रीवियस अभी की ये वाला अभी
क्या आप भी ये सोच रहे हैं? Then this video is for you because today
मैं यही सोच रहा था। अभी थोड़ा देर पहले कसम से मैं यही सोच रहा था कि कैसे करूँगा ये सब। So let's find out why is China winning?
कि what is China's secret to success?
इसको कैसे पता रहता है इतना सब? कोई भी टॉपिक उठाओ इसको पता है। What is China's secret to success? the politicians, economists, research and developers सब ऐसे ही बैठे हैं अभी ने इंटरनेट खोला एंड उसको पता चल गया व्हाट इज चाइना's secret to success.
सीखना चाहते हैं। ये वीडियो उस मैच्योर ऑडियंस के लिए है जो कुछ सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढना चाहते हैं। तो अगर आपको इस वीडियो में वैल्यू
इसमें क्या क्या देगा क्या? He just changed it to mature and immature audience ताकि अपने ईगो पे एंड अपनी वीडियो देखे. There's enough reason to boycott this video.
वैसे भी हमारे इंडिया में कौन सा स्कीम चलता है, तो वोकल फॉर लोकल बनने
तेरा स्कीम पक्का चल रहा है.
लेकिन क्या ये सिर्फ जिंगोइज्म है, एक इमोशनल सेंटिमेंट है, क्या इसमें कुछ सच्चाई है?
इंडिया में सब कुछ जिंगोइज्म ही होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इंडिया में जो बिना जिंगोइज्म, एटलीस्ट ट्विटर पे तो सब जिंगोइज्म ही है.
पिछले 2 हफ्तों में हमने इस टॉपिक पर बहुत रिसर्च किया है, एक्चुअल ट्रेड डेटा कलेक्ट किया है।
अगर आपको हमारा रिसर्च बेस्ड अप्रोच पसंद आता है तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए।
लोग इतना रिसर्च करता है, ये लोग यहाँ पे अपना सोर्सेस लिंक क्यों नहीं करता है? लोग यूट्यूब पे क्यों नहीं डालता अपना सोर्सेस है, वीडियोस तो डालता है
क्योंकि पर्सनली हम नेगेटिव लोगों से तंग आ गए।
मेरी बात कर रहा है. Let's see a smart idea to defeat China.
हमारे चीनी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या कोई स्मार्ट सॉल्यूशन है, कोई ऐसा सॉल्यूशन जो चाइना के अगेंस्ट इंडिया को एक बड़ा एडवांटेज दे सकता है? द आंसर इज यस।
फिर कोई तो बैठ के ना मास्टर प्लान करता रहेगा एंड ऐसे पूरा उसने बैठ के कैलकुलेशन किया रहेगा या बैठ के वो रिसर्च एनालिसिस बैठ के डेटा कलेक्ट करके स्टैटिस्टिकल वर्क करके मैटलैब में रन करके. I don't know why I said MATLAB. I was missing MATLAB. बहुत दिन से MATLAB नहीं. और यहाँ पे अभी आया एक दिन रैंडमली इंस्टाग्राम पे बोला मेरा सारा रिसर्च. Now I'll tell you what is my problem with these people in general. ठीक है? So what these people kind of do is they feed the herd. Okay, herd mentality जो होती है कि इंडिया में ज़्यादातर लोग ये सोचना चाहते हैं, तो ये लोग क्या करता है वही चीज़ के ऊपर उसी डायरेक्शन में ये लोगों को कितना पॉइंट्स मिल सकता है उस पर देखता है और फिर वही चीज़ को ये लोग कंपाइल करके एक वीडियो बनाता है एंड देन वो अपलोड करता है. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होता है इंडिया में मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन जो चीज़ में बिलीव करता है वो लोग ये वीडियो को देखता है और वो लोग बिलीव करने लगते हैं कि हाँ ये राइट है. बिकॉज वॉट दिस पीपल आर डूइंग इज दे आर प्रमोटिंग देयर ओपिनियंस एज फैक्ट. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम तुम लोग इसका ये लोग का वीडियो देख लोगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि ये लोग बेसिकली ये लोग का जो ओपिनियन है लाइक दिस कुड वर्क, दिस शुड वर्क को ये लोग ऐसे ट्रांसलेट करके दिस वर्क्स ऐसे करते थे. ठीक है, तो ज़्यादातर लोग जो लोग ये वीडियो देखते हैं उनका एक सर्टन ओपिनियंस रहता है एंड ये लोग उसी ओपिनियन को फीड करते हैं. तो उस वजह से क्या होता है ज़्यादा लोग इनके वीडियोस को शेयर करते हैं बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो स्टार्ट बिलीविंग कि हाँ हम जो सोच रहे हैं वो सही है. ठीक है, विच इज़ बेसिकली मोनेटाइजिंग अवेयरनेस. लाइक अवेयरनेस इज़ अ कॉन्सेप्ट, like you're making people aware of feminism, racism, sexism and all this topic, and they kind of make videos on that supporting a majority crowd and then make money out of it. Okay, AIB used to do it back in the day, but फिर वो लोग खुद के ऑफिसेस में ही मतलब they turned out to be hypocrites. Okay, so what these people do is they are feeding people opinions in the name of fact. Like the previous video अगर हम लोग ने जो देखा, अगर वही वीडियो का अगर जो तुम लोग का एक कीवर्ड अगर तुम लोग ले लो वन सन वन वर्ल्ड वन ग्रिड एंड वो सर्च करो तो जो तुम लोग को पहला आर्टिकल मिलता है ना बेसिकली यही आर्टिकल में इन्होंने जो वीडियो में कवर किया है वो पूरा तुम लोग को मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड इसी चीज़ को ब्रेक डाउन करके प्रॉपर स्क्रिप्टिंग करके ये लोग एज फैक्ट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. इसलिए वो लोग जब भी रिसर्च बोलते हैं तो थोड़ा हंसने आता है बिकॉज आई डोंट नो दे माइट बी डूइंग देयर रिसर्च बिकॉज उनके पार्ट पे दे हैव टू बी राइट. सो whenever they come across one of these videos or one of these news उनको शायद इसमें जाके each and every fact checking करना पड़ेगा. But what I'm trying to say is whatever videos they are making is probably found on the first page of Google search. Okay, I won't even get into the controversial videos like this one. Okay, because I personally feel like the topic is blown out of proportion and people are sabotaging both sides, cursing both sides, and destroying credibility of people who have worked for our country. It is not good. They shouldn't be made a topic of. I mean, most of the people discussing this now were not even born at the time of freedom. Whatever their opinions are basically what they read from the internet. Okay, and internet is a place where things are taken out of context and then compiled and then presented in the form of facts when actually they are just opinions, and then people read upon them and then form their own opinions accordingly. So I don't think it's fair. So I won't personally get into this topic whole, but all I'm saying is he covered the whole video and he fed audience what they wanted to hear, but not even once he mentioned the book, The Six Epochs of History. He conveniently didn't mention. He talked about everything, okay? Everything that he wanted to feed to the majority of the audience. But if he's such a great researcher, why he conveniently missed the book called Six Epochs of History? Read about it, read more about this person and try to form your own opinions, okay? Don't listen to someone on the internet and then think that this is what it is.
तो लोग अभी भी एक बीमारी से लड़ रहे हैं, लाखों अभी भी हॉस्पिटल में हैं, हजारों बेघर घूम रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हमारे लिए रिलीजन ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट. This video is not to target any particular religion, but this is for those people who consider that
if you don't want to target a religion, bro, you shouldn't mention it. Just don't make a video about it. If those people belong to a certain minority, I don't know what you believe in, but if you're mentioning that particular religion, people are going to point to that religion.
These gatherings were attended by thousands of people from India and abroad, including countries like UK, Indonesia, Malaysia, US and China.
See, this thing where you highlighted China is where the whole problem starts, okay?
9,000 people. It is believed that 9,000 people attended this event.
Because the attendees are
I'm just gonna stop this video here. I'm definitely sure he might have mentioned Muslims several times or in the video. But here's the thing, okay, recently a gathering happened in Ayodhya. Why didn't you guys make a video about it? Was it not really, is the Karana gone or something like that? Because this seems like a selective outrage to me.
क्या religion सबसे ऊपर है?
Like, look at this video, okay? Unlock your brain power.
Sri Ravi Shankar is the founder of The Art of Living.
Just saying, there's a documentary series on Netflix called Wild Wild Country. If you haven't watched it, go watch, you'll understand what I'm talking about.
ये आपके experiences से एक long term memory create करता है. Hippocampus हर
See, this
10
is what I'm talking about, okay? It's great that they brought this up. If you look at these people, they're not qualified to actually talk about biology and how a human brain works or functions. It's just the same as how Kangana spoke about how she has done a project on this, on brain and how it works. Okay, these people have no background to talk about biology, how things work, yet they read it off of somewhere and then find these illustrations and concepts and stuff, then they talk about. Now when you're looking at videos online and learning from it, it's good for your own knowledge, okay? If I'm watching a video about how to do a certain exercise, it is just for my benefit, because if it works or it doesn't work, I am to blame, because I watched that video and now it is upon me to make that decision if it's a fact or no, and then work accordingly. What these people are doing is they pick something from the internet and then they take it and then they pass it on to other people, which is wrong according to me, because when it's me, it's a voluntary decision. When I see something online and if I want to try it, it's a voluntary decision. Okay, what these people are doing is they're not making a decision for themselves, but they're also trying to make that decision for us, which is wrong. If you look at a trainer online who's giving up tutorial, he has a background or a certification in a particular nutritional course or bodybuilding or something like that. Okay, so he is at that position to educate us. Now watching that video, I can decide if I want to do that or no. I cannot watch that video, learn from it and then tell my friend that do this. It worked for me, it's going to work for you. Things don't work like that. Meditation is a generic concept and it works for everyone, so I don't think there's a problem, but you get what I'm saying, right?
This Harvard research, ये 2 MRI scans है जिसमें same brain के meditation के before and after results दिखाए.
It's the same concept, okay? Whenever someone wants to prove a point, they would go online and find someone else who has said the same thing but has a background or a qualification that suits that statement, and they just put it forward, so it helps prove their point. Okay, meditation could be one of the best things to do, I guess, but I'm just saying generally how this works. I don't have anything against meditation. Okay, first of all, let's get this out of the way. Okay, it's easy to troll them based on कि Nas Daily का videos को तुम लोग copy किया है. I personally don't think we should roast them based on that or judge them based on that, because it's like Nas Daily did it first, but it's like he came up with a recipe for biryani and these people copied the recipe. But every time they make a video, they have to make biryani, they have to make it delicious. Okay, it's hard work every time. I don't necessarily think copying someone's style is a problem. I mean, coming up with that style might have taken Nas a lot of time and effort, but all I'm saying is he put the recipe out there, and not everyone is making content as good as these people are, and they're making a very fine biryani, I guess. But sometimes they look बहुत ज़्यादा रायता फैला देता है उसके. Like this video, the science of Ganesh Chaturthi.
3 minutes we are going to tell you 3 things that we do during the festival and why we do them. और अगर आपको हमारा ये मैजिक
we celebrate, we enjoy with our family. बंद करो वीडियो.
हमारा ये मैजिक के पीछे का लॉजिक समझने का एफर्ट पसंद आता है तो इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए.
मैजिक के पीछे का लॉजिक समझना है तो dude, अभी has some serious skills when it comes to rhyming word.
हम ऐसे ही भारत के बारे में पॉजिटिव वीडियोस बनाते हैं. हमारे काम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.
When she said positive video, it made me remember PewDiePie's video on forced positivity. If you guys haven't watched that video, do watch it.
Number 1, लेकिन मोदक क्यों खाते हैं?
शॉर्ट आंसर, बिकॉज दे आर डिलिशियस.
शॉर्ट आंसर नहीं, वही आंसर है क्योंकि वो डिलीशियस है. ठीक है.
लॉन्ग आंसर, बिकॉज दे आर हेल्दी.
Okay, let me listen to her explanation.
I'll explain.
मोदक एक फूड नहीं, सुपर फूड है और इसके 2 सुपर पावर्स हैं, कोकोनट एंड जैगरी.
कोकोनट इज इजी टू डाइजेस्ट. ये आपके मेटाबॉलिज्म को बूस्ट करता है.
जैगरी फाइट्स कोल्ड एंड फ्लू. ये आपके लिवर को डिटॉक्सिफाई करता है और डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स को एक्टिवेट करता है.
स्टीमिंग रिटेन्स 90% ऑफ द एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स. इट्स अ फैक्ट. खाने का कलर, टेक्सचर और फ्लेवर रिटेन होता है. इट्स अ फैक्ट. इट प्रिजर्व्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स लाइक विटामिन बी एंड सी, पोटेशियम, फास्फोरस एंड जिंक.
Why is she always saying it's a fact, it's a fact? She's so insecure that she wants to bring up the point that it is a fact. I'm not saying this out of my mind. Okay, it is a fact. It is a fact. Okay.
सारे फैक्ट्स मोदक के रूप में आपके घर ले आते हैं. बट व्हाई? नंबर 2, गणेश.
Okay, let me stop right there. When you're talking about science, you just don't answer the question what and why. Okay, you answer when, how, where, all those questions. Just told what modak is made up of, what are the components that are used to make modak, and what are the benefits of it. But it didn't tell us like why it is eaten at that specific point of time. I'll tell you why. Because most of the traditions that you follow during a festival is there because at the time when the tradition was brought in, maybe the production of jaggery was more or the coconut was more. Now when you talk about superfood, there are way too many superfood. Okay, so it doesn't make sense. Why do you eat only modak, or why do you eat it only at that specific time? They didn't answer any of those questions. It's like if I take Chinese and if I break what it is made up of, like it is made up of chicken, there's vegetables, and if I go like what are the benefits of each and every vegetable, even I can justify that Chinese is the best food to eat every day, but it won't make any sense. Now, as I said, traditions are pertaining to that time. Okay, like if I had to give an example, in the month of Shravan, Maharashtrians don't eat fish because the month of Shravan is a fish breeding season, so they don't eat fish. It makes sense. But now due to globalization, fish is available everywhere, even during the month of Shravan. So the tradition of fasting during Shravan came from the time when fish was not available during the month of Shravan. Like this, so the reason for eating modaks might be same along those lines, but they are trying to make it more than what it is. It is just a tradition. Whenever I go back home, if my mom makes gulab jamun for me, tomorrow I would do the same for my children and then their children, like that. So it would be stupid if down the line one of my grandchildren just tries to make sense of it by saying that gulab jamun is made out of this and it is healthy for you and all that stuff. It doesn't make sense. And to put it In short, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated so widely because of Lokmanya Tilak. He thought of it as an idea to overthrow British and bring in unity among people in Maharashtra. Okay, that was the main reason. Now, what they are trying to do is they already have a motive or they already have an opinion formed that everything has to make sense. So they are searching along those lines, and whatever fact they come across, compiling it and presenting it basically.
नेचुरल डिसइंफेक्टेंट प्लस कुछ कल्चर्स में जो स्पेशल क्ले यूज होती है उसकी वजह से पानी में फ्लोट होने वाले पार्टिकल्स अट्रैक्ट होते हैं और नीचे सेटल हो जाते हैं फिर टॉप
ठीक है, this is what I was talking about. He found out about something and he just wants to connect everything together and produce it as facts. Okay, it's like हर एक चीज़ का कोई ना कोई benefit रहेगा ही nature में. Okay, you are just finding that benefit and then just linking it to your own agenda or belief that it all has to make sense. But to be honest, everything in religion does not have to make sense. You're with your family, enjoying and celebrating is all that matters, and it's all that's supposed to make sense. Okay, let's say we Google the science behind Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, and you would find this Quora link. Okay, that is probably the knowledge base of the entire video. The name should probably not be Abhi and Neo. Instead, it should be Abhi, Niyu, and Quora.
all Indian festivals have some relationship with the harvest seasons.
Sankrant is the end of winter. Holi is the end of spring. Diwali is the end of the cropping season.
That's what I was saying. Okay, all these things, activities and stuff that we are doing is only pertaining to that time when the traditions were brought in. They're not supposed to make sense right now. There's not supposed to be any science to it. You're just supposed to enjoy those traditions and remember your heritage and stuff.
Jains believe it's the day when Mahavir attained final liberation, and Sikhs celebrate this day as the day when Guru Har Gobind got freedom from a Mughal prison.
That's why it's stupid to say that Diwali is a Hindu festival, but it's an Indian festival.
We don't need all those reasons to figure out if Diwali is a Hindu festival or an Indian festival. Okay, every festival is an Indian festival. अगर तू छुट्टी ले रहा है तेरा ऑफिस और स्कूल कॉलेज से एंड वो छुट्टी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है तो वो इंडियन फेस्टिवल है. ठीक है, अगर तेरे को इतना ही प्रॉब्लम है कि ये एक सर्टेन रिलीजन का फेस्टिवल है तो छुट्टी मत ले. छुट्टी लेते टाइम तुम लोग सब साथ में आता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद तुम लोग बोलता है कि ये मेरा फेस्टिवल नहीं है. नहीं, एवरी फेस्टिवल इज एन इंडियन फेस्टिवल. ये रीजनिंग चाहिए ही नहीं. ठीक है,
People used oils that would keep insects away.
आज मैं तेल लगा के सोया. अगर मेरे को मच्छर नहीं काटा मतलब लोग सच बोल रहे. अगर काटा,
Clean up the house because a clean house has good energy.
अगेन they're not exactly explaining कि अभी क्यों क्लीन करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, फेस्टिवल के टाइम पे कभी भी तो क्लीन करना पड़ता है. When you're talking about science, it has to make sense कि क्यों दिवाली में ही ऐसा होता है. ठीक है,
Winter. All of it makes perfect sense.
I like how she said it. All of it makes perfect sense. भाई हमारा काम है वो बोलना. ठीक है, हम लोग को ये वीडियो देख के बोलना चाहिए all of it makes sense. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम ही वीडियो बनाओ, तुम ही बोलो. Okay, that's it from for the science part. Okay, see, this is what I was talking about. Okay, he talked about science of this, science of that, science of everything, but he's not even from science background. He's a filmmaker. He makes exceptionally great videos. I'm not very sure if it's credible to talk on topics that he has no knowledge about, because whatever he's speaking or saying is probably something that he has just read somewhere or read on the internet. Okay, if that is all it took to become a journalist or to become a research analyst and all, why would people be wasting 3 years of their life? Same goes for Niyu. She's also from commerce background. They said it in a video that they are from same college. So according to me personally, I don't feel they are credible sources to go to when there's a controversial topic or when there's all they might give you is an opinion. See, that's what made me make videos about them, because whenever something happened or something was going on in India, people always wanted to get their opinions, what they wanted to say, wanted a video from their side posted like it's the factual truth, and it is how things are supposed to be. Now, to be honest, I don't think they have to be hated or they have to be cancelled, judged or something like that. Okay, now it totally explains why they are making videos on these topics. Okay, because if you see the views, if you see if you see the views, it's totally justified why they are making videos on these topics, and there's nothing wrong with that. At the end of the day, is sort of their source of income, okay? And it's totally okay to look after the commerce of certain topics and to work accordingly. It's totally fine. But what is wrong is monetizing on awareness, because I personally feel a lot of people are thinking whatever they say is the truth. For me, I feel like they provide you with enough grounds and basis to go and research on the topic yourself, okay? What they are doing is they are providing you with a base. Go read more on those topics, get educated yourself, form your own opinions. Just because someone else is agreeing with you doesn't mean whatever opinion you both have is the truth, is the ultimate truth. It is not. So yeah, look after that. And I don't think they deserve hate even a bit. I mean, if you guys don't know, if you haven't seen, they have this 100 Reasons video. This is like one of the best Indian video series to watch on YouTube. Okay, and whatever they have achieved so far is 1.1 million followers, and I think it is very justified. If not, I think it is not justified, to be honest, because they easily deserve 10 or 20 million subscribers or followers or whatever it is, because a lot of people with a lot less talent have a lot of subscribers and followers. Or she said wrong. If you guys want me to make a video on Ashish Chansani, do let me know. To be honest, I don't want to make a video on it, because then I'll have to watch his video, and I don't know if I'm willing to go through that. So yeah, for Abhi and Neo's part, I don't think they deserve hate at all. They're really good at whatever they do. What they're doing is misinforming at certain instances and feeding the crowd mentality and monetizing awareness at certain. But I don't think it's totally wrong. I mean, at the end of the day, it's their own opinion. What wrong is they're presenting it as facts, and they're siding with the majority of people, and that gets them views. I don't think it's wrong. Personally, I wouldn't do that, but I don't judge them for doing it. At the end of the day, they are making exceptionally good videos, okay? And I think that's all that matters. I personally won't watch their videos if it's not on a topic that interests me, or if it's on a topic of national interest, because I would rather read some articles, news, stuff like that to get educated. I wouldn't, expect to get answers from Abhi and Neo. What they're doing is basically bringing topics to light. Now it's up to you to go search, research and watch it. So yeah, that's it from my side. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, whatever the fuck you want. I don't care. So yeah, the aim is to reach here, okay? I would be really glad if he adds me in this highlight. Okay.
Form your own opinions. Don't follow them blindly.
It's a fact.
ए तांबे लाइट लाओ ना.
So keep your love on down, your love on down.